Hello everyone, my name is Reuni Handayani. I am 4-5B class. Today I would like to let you know about quantitative data. Before we jump to our main topic, let us know what will we learn in this material. First is, what is quantitative data? Types of quantitative data, characteristics of quantitative data, the advantages and disadvantages of quantitative data. What is quantitative data? Quantitative data is factual information involving numbers and categories. This data is any quantifiable information that can be used for mathematical calculations and statistical analysis. This leads to three fundamental types of data. Numeric data, which could be whole numbers or decimal, categories with a natural ordering, such as strongly agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. This is known as ordinal data. Categories without any agreed ordering, such as protein, dairy, carbohydrate, fruit, and vegetable. This is known as nominal data. Quantitative data can be divided into two types, namely discrete and continuous data. Discrete data is a type of data that consists of counting numbers only and as such cannot be measured. Measurements like weight, length, height are not classified under discrete data. Examples of discrete data include the number of students in a class, the number of the days in a year, the age of an individual. Discrete data can be said to be either countably finite or countable infinitive. Discrete data can be broken down into smaller units. It's typically counted in whole numbers and there is nothing like half of value. Continuous data. It is a data type that takes on numeric values that can be meaningfully broken down into smaller units. As opposed to discrete data which can be measured, continuous data can be placed on a measurement scale. An example, weight, length, time, and so on. Continuous data can be said to be either uncountably finite or uncountably infinitive. Characteristic of quantitative data. The most common types of quantitative data are as below. Counter. Count equated with entities. For example, the number of people who download a particular application from in the App Store. Measurement of physical objects. Calculating measurement of any physical thing. For example, the HR executive carefully measured the size of each cubicle assigned to the newly joined employees. Next is sensory calculation. Mechanism to naturally sense the measured parameters to create a constant source of information. For example, a digital camera converts electromagnetic information to a string of numerical data. Next, projection of data. Future projection of data can be done using algorithms and other mathematical analysis tools. For example, a marketer will predict an increase in the sales after launching a new product with true analysis. Last is quantification of qualitative entities. Identity numbers to qualitative information. For example, asking respondents of an online survey to share the likelihood of recommendation on a scale of 0 to 10. Advantages of quantitative data. Some of advantages of quantitative data are conduct in-depth research. Since quantitative data can be statistically analyzed, it is highly likely that the research will be detailed. minimum bias. There are instances in research where personal bias is involved, which leads to incorrect results. Due to the numerical nature of quantitative data, the personal bias is reduced to a great extent. Accurate result. As the results obtained are objective in nature, they are extremely accurate. Disadvantages of quantitative data. Some of these advantages of quantitative data are restricted information. Because quantitative data is not descriptive, it becomes difficult for researchers to make decisions based solely on the collected information. Depends on question types. Bias in results is depend on the question types included to collect quantitative data, the researcher's knowledge of questions, and the objective of research are exceedingly important while collecting quantitative data. Thank you for your great attention. Hopefully this material is helpful for us.